I knew I wanted to do a trade, and I just fell in love with it once I got more into it and actually like came and introduced myself to the faculty here. It was an automatic choice for me to get into welding. I like something that I feel like not everyone is doing, especially for women of color, and just a lot of it's men. It's a male-dominated field. So when I kind of sat back and just thought about different trades, I wanted to kind of start with the one that I felt was going to be the hardest. It's definitely been a challenge over time, but like I said, I like something that is a challenge. I like something that's new. I don't know, I just knew that it was going to be a field that I enjoyed. Really just the overall aspect of taking hot molten metal and turning it to something beautiful. It could be, to me, representative of like painting. Honestly, I'm a big artist. And it's been a great experience, even since when I started in 2019. I didn't really know what I wanted to do then, but a lot of the faculty here was just very understanding of that. When I first went into it, like I was doing third shift full time. Even my professor all the time, he would be on my back about it. He's like, you need to stop being so hard on yourself. You're basically doing the impossible right now, like going full-time work and then also coming in here, basically doing a free 8-hour shift while you're learning and you're under hot material and you're getting burned and all this other stuff. And even through all that, I ended up being on the dean's list my first year when I was doing my certification. It really just showed me that I can do anything that, like, I guess men in the field can do. You know, girls can do trades too. Like, they can do the more dirtier hands-on works. Just showing them that there's other avenues that, you know, aren't as explored.